Hi everyone, this is again Froilan from I2 Prime Realty. So currently I'm here in Pines View Height here in Tagaytay. Sobrang convenient niya. Konting lakad lang, nasa Tagaytay ka na. So you know, already kapag nasa Tagaytay ka, you have that good weather. Sobrang lamig dito. Ito yung perfect property for you. Kung yun ang ideal na retirement home para sa'yo. So this property, the one at my back, it sits on a total of 353 total lot area, and floor area is nasa 400 plus square meters. So, sobrang laki nitong property na to, guys. I'm very excited to give you a tour inside. So come on, samahan niyo ako as I show you around this property. Ayan, dito pa lang sa facade, you'll see na iba yung dating niya, no? Pagpasok mo pa lang ng gate, ito agad yung mag-welcome sa'yo. Kaya sobrang ganda nitong property na to, and it's walking distance away lang dun sa main road natin sa labas. So now, as we step inside the property, ito yung first na mag-welcome sa'yo, no? So dito, very refreshing yung vibe kasi maraming mga plants. You can have landscape garden dito sa side na to. Kasi yan, meron naman na tayong mga plants to add, you know, yung greenery vibes para very refreshing, mahangin kasi nasa Tagaytay ka. So you deserve to have that plants, no, surrounding your property. And then as we step inside the property, ito yung first na mag-welcome sa'yo. It's a very spacious living area. Ayan, as you can see, no. Maganda yung mga furnitures, yung finishes na ginawa dito sa property na to. And I like na itong side na to, meron siyang glass. So, ang ganda na hindi nakaka-suffocate yung dating. Malaki yung dating niya because yung floor to ceiling na glass window natin. Plus yun, may view ka rin sa labas. Then dito, you have enough space to accommodate your guests. Kung may mga bisita ka, kung pamilya mo coming over or your friends mo. And if gusto nila mag-sleep over, they have a guest room dito sa side na to. Ayan, so it has enough space for kung halimbawa meron naman kayong mga kasama sa bahay na elderly na, so for convenience, pwede din sila dito tumira. Okay? Then, ayan, ang ganda ng effect ng lighting natin. Maganda rin yung ginamit na finishes para sa lights. And if you need more ventilation and natural light, pwede mong i-open to. Ayan, pwede mong buksan to para labas ka na. Ayun, papunta tayo dun sa labas na part. So mamaya, I'll show you yung pool. Very exciting yun. Kasi ang ganda nung gawa nila dito. So, before we go to the pool area, pakita ko muna yung kitchen area sa inyo, guys. Ayan. So dito, before sa kitchen area, of course, we have the dining area. And what I like about here, dito sa area na to, hindi nga siya nakaka-suffocate pa din dahil sa floor to ceiling na window finishes. So maganda yung effect nito kasi mas nakakahinga ka if you're that type na parang ako na gusto ko ng space. So ito yung perfect para sa inyo. Then from the dining area, you have immediate access dito sa my kitchen area. So imagine, no, your special someone or anyone who cooks in your family nandito lang, and then you are having dinner there. So mas nandun yung opportunity for you to bond, no, with your family and friends. And then if you have very big family and may bisita kayo and you just wanna, you know, enjoy and to relax, from the dining area may immediate access ka din going outside. So, meron parang extension dito ng kainan. Ayan. Kita mo? So, parang kang nasa resort, di ba? Pag dito ka nakatira. And from here, nandito na rin yung pinaka-swimming pool area natin. Tignan nyo, ang ganda. Ang ganda, very relaxing. Kaya, very resort vibe yung feels kapag dito ka nakatira sa property na to. And then from here, if gusto mo lang mag-relax or, you know, get some drinks with your family and friends, you have additional space dito para mag-bonding, no, nung pamilya mo. And then, dito naman sa side na to, it's very rare for a property or a house and lot to have its own basketball court. Pero dito kita mo, napakalaki ng space. And pwede din, it can also be turned to parang carport nyo. So if you have big family, it can fit to mga 6 cars, ganyan, kayang-kaya, no? So now, punta tayo dun sa second floor. I'll show you yung mga bedrooms natin sa taas. Ayan. And ang maganda dito guys pala, I forgot to mention, yung pool natin, since nasa Tagaytay tayo, malamig yung weather, heated etong pool. So, kung gusto mong ng warm water, ganyan, so yan yung meron tayong na pool dito sa property na to. Okay, come on. Let's get inside and go up. Sa taas naman tayo, guys. So from doon, dito yung access natin going to the second floor. So look at the finishes. Meron din tayong made of glass na side ng stairs. Then dito, meron tayong parang additional chairs and table para siyang chess area. Pero kung gusto niyo siyang i-turn to something else, pwede din. Tapos I like the high ceiling and then yung malaking window din na nag-a-add ng natural light dito sa loob ng property. Ayan. Okay. So now, let's go up. So dito, yung first na room, isa to. Pwede siya maging game area. Ayan. So meron nang ready na mga PlayStation dito. So kung if you're into online games din, no? So meron tayo dito, yung PS5. Then from dito sa play area natin, we have room dito. Ayan. So temporarily, we added 2 beds. But if you want to have like one huge bed lang, pwede naman natin itong tanggalin, no? Para ayun, maging one bed na lang siya. Then from dyan, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath dito. Ayan. And then lastly, from dito, so if you have kids, pwede sila dito. And then kayo mag-asawa, this is going to be your master's bedroom. So ito yung pinakamalaking bedroom dito sa property na to. Although temporarily, we've added 3 beds. Pero if gagamitin nyo na siya for use nyo, we can remove the extra beds, then have 1 king size bed dito, no? Ayan. Then, ayan, maganda din yung lighting natin. Very warm yung vibe. Then, kung kailangan nyo ng view, we have large window here to appreciate the peaceful view of the subdivision. Then, you have your own toilet and bath dito. There you go. Ayun. So, those are the bedrooms available dito sa property na to, guys. So, ayun. I hope you like the tour. And if ever you are interested about this property, I'll be very happy to assist you and give you a tour dito sa property na to for better appreciation. Mas maganda kung makita nyo siya ng actual. But I hope that with this video, mas na-appreciate nyo yung new listing namin dito sa Tagaytay. And I'm very, very excited to see you and give you a tour dito sa property na to. Again, this is Froilan John Idos from I2 Prime, and thank you for watching. I'll see you to our next video. Bye! Okay. Ha? Ay, ganun pala.